Chair, I would like to air a warning to each of you in the Philippine National Police. The moment nakaamoy kami na merong involved sa drugs, ang ilang mga police officers namin, papatawag po namin dito. Papatawag po namin dito. Papatawarin namin, pero ipoprosecute namin. The war on drugs that the former president promised to solve in 6 months took him 6 years.
In your 30 years as a member of the Philippine National Police, ilan ang na-apprehend mong drug lord?
Ang na-operate ko lang po si Mayor Espinosa at saka yung Espinosa Group, sir. Kasi
Meron bang drug list?
meron po, sir.
Yes
Kasi
or no? Yes. DG Lasso, is there such a list called the drug list?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Leonardo, meron bang drug list?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Garma, meron bang drug list?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Espinido, meron bang drug list?
I have here their list.
Okay. Sino?
Merong drug lord, merong financier, merong maintainer, merong operator, merong pusher, merong user.
Gusto ko lang mag-clarify. Yung General Mata, meron bang drug list?
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Si General Sandoval, meron bang drug list?
Sa part ng DIDM, sir, wala naman kami, sir. Purely
Walang drug list?
Sa DIDM part, sir, wala.
No, yeah, I know. But you're a member of the Philippine National Police and you know that there is what they call the drug list. Are you
Yes.
aware that there is a drug list?
Yes, Your Honor.
So alam mo, meron.
Yes,
Si Colonel Marcos, meron bang drug list?
Since po, sir, na-assign po ako ng Police Regional Office 8 way back 2015 na nag-OICR1 po ako, nag-assign po ako ng Lambat Sibat. Meron na po tayong listahan ng yung target list.
Ano
watch
nakalagay
list.
doon? Yung mga high value targets.
Opo, sir. Lahat ng listahan ng mga involved sa drugs, drug lords, including...
So drug lords.
Oh, yes, sir.
Sa career mo, ilan ang nahuli mong drug lord? Sa ilang years ka na sa police?
30 years, sir.
In your 30 years as a member of the Philippine National Police, ilan ang na-apprehend mong drug lord?
Ang na-operate ko lang po si Mayor Espinosa at saka yung Espinosa Group, sir. Kasi...
Hindi, yun lang. Tanong ko lang. So, sino? Mayor Espinosa.
Oh, sir. At
Okay,
saka
aside from Mayor Espinosa, wala na.
wala na po, sir. I never been assigned in a drug unit, sir, in my career. Ang first time lang po ako na nag-operate ng illegal drugs when I was assigned with CIDG because it was still on the flagship project ng CIDG, ang Oplan Berta. Pero
Sige, okay. Okay na tayo doon.
It was the first
Basta I
time
just wanted you to confirm kung meron bang drug list. Kasi sabi ni General Mata, meron. Sabi ni General Sandoval, meron. Kaya tinanong kita, meron bang drug list?
meron po, sir.
Yes
Kasi
or no?
We,
Yes.
we
Okay.
conduct always a conference on that, sir.
Okay, pwede bang matanong, DG Lasso, is there such a list called the drug list?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
We
thank
have
you.
two.
Thank you. Colonel Leonardo, meron bang drug list?
Yes, Your Honor. Meron.
Colonel Garma, meron bang drug list?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Espinido, meron bang drug list?
I have here their list.
Okay. Sinong gumagawa ng drug list? Colonel Garma, sinong gumagawa ng drug list?
Mr. Chair, pwede bang isubmit ni Colonel Espinido? Dahil dala niya yung drug list
We will ask him to submit that later, Your Honor. But I'm just...
Yes, sir. Based on my experience, Mr. Chair, as station commander, kami po sa station ay naglilista po
Naglilista ang station.
Yes, sir. Based sa TI namin, sa mga nahuli,
What is TIA?
mga
Tactical
interrogation or
interrogation.
investigation po, disclosure of suspects that are arrested, or information coming from assets and agents.
So this is done sa
Level ng
level ng ano.
police station, pinakamababa po sa station.
So kaya malalaman natin sa isang jurisdiction, isang police station, alam natin kung ilan yung drug lords, ilan yung drug users, pushers, ganyan. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Sinasubmit po namin sa task to, then there is a sharing of intelligence. Kaya kung minsan, yung information ng nasa taas, nakukuha din namin sa baba kasi naayos po namin na nasa area namin yung operation nila. So naisasama din po namin yung intel ng ibang unit,
Okay. Si Colonel
Mr.
Leonardo,
Chair.
where does the list come from?
Nagsisimula po sa mga station, sa mga pati po barangay minsan nagpo-provide din po.
So sa station, sinasubmit yan ng mga police sa area.
Apo, from the station, isasabit na po yan pataas na.
And the station determines sino yung drug lord, sino yung pusher. May difference ba yung pusher sa drug lord?
May,
I want to get a categorical answer sa kanila. Kasi kayo ang nakakaalam. Meron bang difference yung pusher doon sa drug lord?
mas higher level po, I think, yung drug lord, Mr. Chair.
Again?
Meron po kasing pusher na nagbebenta. Pag nagbenta po, kahit 1 gramo lang, pusher na po yun. Eh.
So pag
Once a seller, Mr. Chair, ay pusher na po. Once caught selling, in the act of selling, pusher na po yun.
And then?
Yung drug lord is, I think, I believe, mas higher level po. Yung mga certain amount of drugs confiscated from the suspect, then he will be considered.
So
considered drug lord.
merong large amount of drugs before a person is considered a drug lord? Ganun ba ang...
I think so, Mr. Chair.
Okay, in your career, Colonel Leonardo, ilan ang drug lords ang nahuli mo?
Marami-rami rin po, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko lang po mabilang kung ilan. Pero marami-rami po, Mr.
Pag
Chair.
drug lord. Drug lord
may
yan, ha?
drug lord po, may pusher. Meron din pong user.
Hindi, ang tanong ko, ilan drug lords ang identified mo at nahuli mo yun, in your entire PNP career?
Mahigit pong 10, masasabi ko. Safe po ako na
And they're
mahigit 10.
now all in jail.
Meron pong...
May buhay pa ba doon sa 10?
meron din pong may namatay po.
Okay.
Meron naman pong nakakumbikta.
Kasi ang tanong ng taong bayan ganito eh. Marami tayong nahuhuli. And this is a statement that I'm sure the PNP knows and the PDEA knows and the NBI knows. Marami tayong nahuhuling drugs. Pero wala tayong nahuhuli. Maraming beses na ang nahuhuli ay yung mga street peddlers. Pero yung mga ulo, yung mga drug lords, ay hindi natin nahuhuli. Ngayon, there's now a hypothesis na bakit hindi nahuhuli yung mga malalaki? Kasi pinakakawalan sila in exchange of the large volume of drugs na nahuhuli sa kanila. Nahuli sa kanila, kukunin nila yung drugs, pakakawalan nila yung drug lord. Pagkatapos nun, tatawagin yung mga pusher, ali kayo, benta kayo sa kalsada. Kailangan in 1 week, mag-remit kayo. Pag hindi kayo nag-remit, huhulihin namin kayo. That was the kalakaran and that is the comments made by our people. Kaya nga, tinanong ko, ilan ang drug lord na huli natin? Di ba? Si Colonel Marcos, are you related to the President?
Apelido lang po, sir.
So, kasi maputi ka eh.
Yes po, American po ang mother ko, sir.
Okay. Sinabi mo kanina na si Espinosa lang nahuli mong drug lord.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa mga street peddlers, marami kang nahuli, I'm sure.
Marami po sir, kasi naging commander po ako ng Manila Police District.
Ilan ang na-dismiss sa mga nahuli mo? Lahat yan, I'm sure, nakasuhan nyo. 9165, di ba? Meron bang nakasuhan?
Parang I've been a commander for more than 5 years in Manila Police District. I can only recall one, sir.
So you only can recall one that
Na
was
na-dismiss.
charged,
Na-dismiss ang kaso.
na-dismiss. Bakit?
Yes,
Section 21.
Ah,
Anong
11, sir.
Section 11 nyo hinuli, pero anong reason for the dismissal? Would you know?
Yes, sir. I know that because I was able to pinag-explain po ako dyan. Yung operatiba po na in custody with the evidence, nung sinubmit po sa court, hindi po siya nag-countersign.
Laging ganon eh. And that's a normal reason.
Pero isa lang po yun, sir. Yun ang natatandaan ko, sir. Hindi yung operatiba, iniwan yung ebidensya sa investigador, in-inquest niya, pero yung ebidensya, hindi nakapag-countersign yung arresting officer doon sa evidence.
So, okay. So, yan ang nangyayari, no? Kung bakit nadidismiss. Ngayon, General Mata, you know these stories, di ba? Alam mo kung bakit nadidismiss yung mga kaso. Kasi minsan, yung mga pulis na kasama dun sa operation sa anti-illegal drugs, iniiwan lang sa investigador yung mga ebidensya. And alam natin na madidismiss yan. Di ba? And being the head of PIDEG, siguro dapat orient mo ulit ang iyong mga membro sa PIDEG. No, na
Yes.
dapat kapag tayo ay nag-file ng kaso, maging successful naman yung kaso.
Yes, sir. Actually, we adhere to the DC-20, sir. We also coordinated our every operation to the DOJ.
Make sure
Or
also, General Mata,
Yes, sir.
so that you will not violate the law. Lahat ng anti-drug operations must be closely coordinated with PIDEA, and that's what the law says, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Medyo itong nangyari lang sa amin sa Cavite, sir. Ano to continuous surveillance. Nagkaroon lang ng na hindi sila napasama. Pero yung last operation...
Pagka-surveillance ba, nagse-surveillance kayo, hindi nyo ini-inform ang PIDEA?
Yes, sir. Kasi informed sila pero hindi na sila actual kasama. Sa negation phase, kasama sila, sir. In fact, may dalawa kaming search warrant sa Bulacan. Kasama sila, it turned out to be negative lang eh.
Okay.
Talagang dito lang medyo nag-fail, sir. Tsaka rest assured, i-correct ko, sir, yun.
Sige, dito sa aming re-recommendang batas.
We will conduct investigation.
Yes, please. In
Yes, sir.
the legislation that this committee will recommend, will make sure na magiging liable kayo
Yes, Your Honor.
kung hindi kayo magko-coordinate with PIDEA.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because that is a provision of Republic Act 9165. And you all know that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Diba? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
thank you. So, Congressman Dan Fernandez, your favorite
Chair.
motion?
Nakatanggap kami ng lead data kay General Bakay on those drug lords na napatay. Nakalagay po doon, I do not know if you have these listings also currently, no? Meron drug lord, ayan, meron drug lord, merong financier, merong maintainer, merong operator, merong pusher, merong user. Meron po ba kayo, General Mata, meron po ba kayo ng ganitong klaseng data? Na-validate po ba nyo ito?
I haven't seen
Meron ba
that,
kayo ganitong klaseng data?
What we have in our data, sir, is HBI list of drug personalities.
Ano po
High value individual and street level individual.
Hindi, ito, kompleto po ito eh. Paki-ano lang po sa amin, tanong mo ha? O, sinubmit po ito.
Yes,
General
sir.
Bakay sa
Yes, sir.
amin.
I will
Ito
look
po
into
yung
that.
mga napatay, died in police operations from July 1, 2016 to June 30, 2022. Ang drug lord, ang napatay 21, ang financier ang napatay 9, ang maintainer ang napatay 18, ang operator ang napatay 12, ang pusher ang napatay 173, ang user napatay din 440. A total of 7,640. Meron po ba kayong ganitong listahan? Hindi
Yes,
po
Your
yung
Honor.
died in police operations, pero na-revalidate nyo itong mga listahan na ito at active pa ho ito at nasa kulungan ba ito o nakasuhan po ito? Meron ba kayong
meron.
ganyan listahan?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Pakisubmit nyo po sa amin na listahan kung meron kayo.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Kinakailangan po, yung talagang,
Actually, our list is included already in that list you have, sir.
I don't think so.
Consolidated.
No, hindi pa. I don't think so. Sapagkat ito hanggang June 30, 2022 to Ang kailangan namin ngayon, yung pong ganitong klaseng category, pero validated, kinasuhan, nakakulong, at awol. Yun po ang gusto namin malaman.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Tulad po nito, General Mata, ang sinabit po sa amin ni Colonel Espinido, recapitulation of PRRD's list. Meron po ba kayo nito?
Yes, Your
Nakalagay
Honor.
po,
Yes.
elected public officials, validated, what's listed? 12. For validation, 1. Killed, 5. Ano itong DUI? Yung DUI. Under investigation, 1. Arrested, 2. Surrendered, 4. 12 cases at large, 1. May civilians, 132. Ang was listed. PNP personnel, 52. Meron po ba kayong ganitong listahan?
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Pwede bang pakisubmit yun sa amin
We will-
tulad ng
we
ginawa
will-
po ni Colonel Espinido?
Yes, sir. We will submit it.
Pwede rin po ba, Colonel Marcos? Meron po kayong listahan yan.
Wala po akong listahan, Mr. Chair.
Wala kayong listahan ganito.
Wala
Paano
po.
nyo masasabihin sa may listahan kayo?
Yung sinabi ko po kanina, yung tungkol po sa ginagawang validation ng PRO8 na which I attend regularly. Dinidiscuss po yan ng committee kung sino po yung mga nakalista na drug lords.
Hindi, may listahan
drug
kayo doon sa Socsargen, di ba? Si IDG chief kayo doon
Ah,
Mr. Chair.
Sa ngayon po, Mr. Chair, ang CIDG do not maintain already a list of drug personality because
Why?
operation on illegal drugs is already not part of our mandate. Since
meron,
2008.
meron ng isang ahensya sa PNP tulad ninyo na nag-ooperate sa drugs.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr.
DJ
Chairman.
Lasso. DJ Lasso, Mr. Chair.
Yes, I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman.
Pwede po ba nabigyan nyo kami listahan din sa inyo na nabanggit ko?
Can I say something, Mr. Chairman?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Ito po yung problema natin sa droga. Kasi po wala po tayong watch list. Wala, kanya-kanya po kami. Kaya yung format ninyo, iba doon sa format nila.
Bakit itong kay Colonel Speedo merong watch listed?
Meron, Mr. Chairman, there is. Pero when I took over as PIDEA, I wanted to look at a national watch list wherein all
DJ
the inputs
Lasso, mayroon pang sinasabi, yan ang sinasabi namin dito, na nakakawala ang ibang mga drug bust ninyo at nabalitaan pa namin na kung kayo, PNP, PIDEA, nakahuli ng 1,000 kilograms, ang nire-report lamang sa media 200. Totoo ba yon?
it can happen, Your Honor.
It can happen. It can happen. It's not only it can happen, DJ Lasso. It is happening. It
Yes,
is
Your
happening.
Yes, Your Honor.
At ibinebenta ng mga pulis natin ang mga nakuha nilang mga drugs. Na ang tanong ko ganito, kaya kinakailangan, DJ Lasso, meron po kayong listahan yan. What's listed for validation, arrested, surrendered, nawawala o kinakasuhan. You have to have a list of that para malaman po natin ito. Pwede po ba, DJ Lasso?
Your Honor, that is why I was calling the office. We have scheduled a national workshop involving all the agencies of government that have holdings on narcotics.
Involving all
All-
the agencies,
Yes.
law enforcement agencies.
Not only law enforcement.
Do you think the Philippine National Police will attend?
They are invited to attend.
They are invited.
In fact,
They
we are-
should be directed to attend because you're the lead agency for drugs.
yes,
They should be directed to attend, Mr. Chair, because you are the lead agency on drugs.
Yes, they must
They
attend.
should not only be invited. General Mata, do you agree with that? General Mata, you should be directed to attend because they're the lead agency. Do you agree with that?
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Okay, therefore, the PIDEA will hold a, what do you call that?
It's a
A summit.
national drug summit, Mr.
And
Chairman.
therefore, if you are directed to attend, you're going to attend, Mr. Chair.
Yes, sir. We are always attending.
All right,
If
so
ever
he
we
is
are
promising.
invited, Your Honor.
Kailan po mangyayari yan?
September 23, 24, and 25.
Pag
Mr.
hindi
Chairman.
nangyari yan, pakisabi nyo sa amin.
Sir, they will be attending because we are following the PNP just conducted their regional summits all over the country.
Mr. Chair, the reason why, until now, can you imagine the war on drugs that the former president promised to solve in 6 months took him 6 years. And in the process, killed more than 36,000 people. Now, we still have drugs today. Wala pang 1,000 napapatay. General Mata, am I right?
Yes.
Pero nakakahuli
Mr. Chair, sir.
kayo.
Yes.
Now, bakit? Bakit? Palagay ko, ang karamihan dito, Mr. Chair, mga kapulisan to. Nauhuli nyo, pero hindi lahat ng inyong nauhuli ay talagang nasasakotin ninyo. Ibig sabihin, merong nakakawala diyang mga drugs, Mr. Chair. Kaya meron pa rin drugs eh. Kaya sinasabi ko, while Colonel Espinido here said, at sinabi po niya na siya humingi ng paumanhin na sinabi niya na ang Philippine National Police ay biggest criminal organization. Oo, nagpaumanhin siya. Hindi totoo. Sa akin, mukhang totoo. Until otherwise, DJ Lasso, General Mata, until otherwise, you truly address the drug problem in this country and stop it, maniniwala po ako that the Philippine National Police holds the biggest drug syndicate in this country. Mr. Chair, Colonel Leonardo, sabi niyo may listahan kayo ng mga drugs watch list, hindi ba? Kailan yon? Panahon nyo o ngayon?
Nung panahon po namin, Mr. Chair.
Therefore, nung panahon nyo, ano po yung, nung kayo station commander ba o ano?
Meron po nung station commander ako, meron din po nung ako'y
CIDG.
CIDG po.
Ayun, CIDG po kayo ng ano?
Sa Davao City, Combal, Del Sur.
So meron kayo listahan.
Meron naman po lahat, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Gusto nga yung malaman dito kung sino yung current na kapalit ninyo sa CIDG. Mr. Chair, I would like to air a warning to each of you in the Philippine National Police. The moment nakaamoy kami na merong involved sa drugs, ang ilang mga police officers namin, papatawag po namin dito. Papatawag po namin dito. Papatawarin namin, pero ipoprosecute namin. Ayos ba yun? Nakalagay sa Bible yun.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi kayo maaari makatakas sa prosecution. Pagpapatawad, okay. Pero I would like to air a warning, Mr. Chair. The moment na kami ay makaamoy na merong Philippine National Police personnel na involved dito sa drugs na ito, ipapatawag namin dito at isasama namin sa investigasyon, Mr. Chair. Yun lamang.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Bante.